In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert an emoji in Notion. Notion is a fantastic tool that allows you to customize and create pages according to your needs, and adding emojis can really help to personalize and brighten up your workspace. So, without further ado, let's dive right into it. First things first, you'll want to be in your Notion workspace where you plan to add the emoji. Once you're in the desired workspace, locate the line or block of text where you'd like to insert an emoji. You'll notice there are 6 small dots that appear to the side of the text. This is what you'll want to click on. These 6 dots will reveal a menu where you can adjust how your text block behaves within the document. After clicking on the 6 dots, you're going to need to find and click on the Edit icon. This icon typically looks like a small pen or pencil, symbolizing that you are in the editing mode for that particular block of text. Clicking this will offer you additional options regarding what you can do with the content in that block. Now you have the option to put whatever emoji you like. You can select from the large variety of emojis that Notion supports. This is a wonderful feature, as emojis can help express nuances that text can sometimes fail to convey. It's as simple as selecting your desired emoji, and it will immediately appear in your document. If you're aiming to put an emoji at the start of a block, there's a nifty little shortcut for that. By typing a / followed by the word emoji, it will prompt an emojis menu to pop up. This command is part of the Notion's command menu, and it's quite a handy tool to remember when you're editing. After typing in the / command, you simply click on the emoji option. The moment you do this, a selection of emojis will appear, allowing you to choose the one that fits best with the mood or context of your page. Once you've found your perfect match, just click to insert it. Lastly, you can choose from the wide range of emojis that Notion provides. Each emoji can add its unique touch, whether it's a simple smiley face, a plant, a star, or something more creative. Select an emoji from the options provided, and just like that, you've added a bit more flair and personalization to your Notion page. And there you have it. That's how simple it is to insert an emoji in Notion. Emojis are not only fun, but also functional, and they can help your text stand out and engage those who see your workspace. Happy Notioning!